Otter is artificial intelligence-powered voice-to-text transcription software. It begins by stacking the words on the page after picking up the speech in an audio medium and processing them using an AI algorithm. Today in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to download the Otter AI easily. Let's get started. Open the Play Store first on your device. Tap on the search icon at the bottom right. Type in Otter AI. Then tap on Search. This is the application that we are going to be downloading. Tap on the install icon to start the installation process. Tap on Open after the download is completed. Now you can start using the application by following the steps as instructed to sign up. And that is how you can download Otter AI. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.